updated setup video. Or should I say updated setup video? I don't know. Before we get into the video, I will be leaving a link down in the description for all the stuff that I show, so if anyone wants to purchase anything that you see, then there will be a link for you down below. Now as for the keyboard, I'm still using the Razer Black Widow X Chroma, and it's been working perfectly for me. The feeling quality has not gone down even after 2 years of use, and if there's one downside to this keyboard, it is that it's actually quite loud and it can be picked up onto whatever sort of microphone that you use. However, I have found a workaround for this, so that the keyboard collects won't be picked up on the stream by using a noise gate on OBS. If you'd like me to show you how to set that up, let me know and I'll make a little tutorial. And now for the monitors. As you can see, I've upgraded from a dual monitor setup to a triple monitor setup, and it looks absolutely fantastic. On the right, we still have that old AOC 24-inch monitor, but it still gets the job done. However, I still might upgrade it to a better monitor with 144Hz refresh rate. On the middle, we have the new beautiful MSI monitor that looks and feels great. I've combined the setup with a beautiful and fresh looking wallpaper that I've customized myself, and it just feels perfect and it blends perfectly with the setup theme color. On the left, we have a 27-inch Philips monitor, and it honestly just gets the job done, and I mostly use it to watch YouTube videos and to use Photoshop or Adobe Premiere when I'm not streaming. When I stream, however, I have my stream on that monitor, gameplay on the middle one, and OBS on the right. Now you might notice that I purchased something that I did not plan to get. So the previous microphone I was using, the AT2020, it died on me after I blowed a lot of air into it after raging in games. So yeah, that happened, and I had to get a new microphone, and I had my eyes set on this one since it has a really cool tap to mute button on the top of it, and the audio sounds almost like the AT2020. So this is the HyperX Quadcast, and it looks and feels amazing. Along with the microphone comes a shock mount that I'm using on my boom arm. Now the boom arm I'm using is the Rode PSA-1, and it just feels amazing. With the ability to rotate it 360 degrees, makes it really useful and convenient to tuck away once I'm not using it. There are cheaper options out there, but this one is amazing for the price point. And now for the mouse, I'm using a Logitech G502, laying on top of a SteelSeries 2X large gaming mouse pad. And before you go, how do you play any games? There's barely any place for you to move your hand. Then you must know that I've adapted to playing with a super high DPI, so there is not really any worries about not having enough space to move my hand, because the slightest of movement in real life equals to major movement in game. Basic math. Another upgrade is the sound system, and for the sound system I'm using a Sound Blaster X Katana soundbar that has amazing sound, and it also has RGB lights underneath it, which makes it look really pretty on the desk. And as for the headphones, I'm using the Logitech G Pros, and they sound great, and I have nothing negative to tell you about them. Something I've also upgraded is my webcam. So I ended up buying the Logitech C922, which is basically the best webcam on the market, even though I have to tweak its setting manually to achieve a better look. So in the last video I mentioned some things I'd hoped to upgrade for when I made another setup video, and those things were:
in the next upgrade, I want to have added LED lights covering the entire desk and parts of the setup, upgrade the RAM from 8GB to 16 or 32GB, get the new Logitech mouse, maybe even get a matching monitor to eliminate the unevenness of the two monitors to make it look even more symmetrical, and last but not least, the Intel i7 CPU.
And so I have basically upgraded everything and gotten everything I wanted to achieve except for the CPU, because I ended up purchasing other stuff such as the audio system and some LED lights. And speaking of LED lights, I recently bought the Philips Hue Play bars, and they just look amazing, and they can make such a great addition to any setup. You just can't imagine how good they will make your setup look. Also notice how this video is uploaded exactly 2 years after the first setup video. Not gonna lie, that was kind of why I actually started editing and making an effort again. But yeah, anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up, and if we get to 150 likes, I'll do more videos like this, or just vids in general, I guess. So yeah, peace out!